Hi, it's Glenda here with your Steps to Serenity for today. And if you read my blog, you may have noticed that we are fans of Disney in that we visit Disney World. It's a big favorite of our daughter. And truly, when you're there, people are happy. Everybody's happy, and the adults can act like kids or let the kid part of them out. And pretty much get outside of your box or outside of your comfort zone if you'll allow it and if you'll let it. And there's something called archetypes, and you may have heard them before, heard about this before. And for people, an archetype could be nature, it could be the freedom of a hawk, or it can be people. It might be your mom, it might be someone like Gandhi or Nelson Mandela. For me, one of my archetypes is Walt Disney. And you can see I've got a Disney sweater on today. And sometimes I will wear something like this. I've got a couple of different ones. And it helps inspire me. And it helps remind me of how hard he kept on going and kept on trying. He didn't give up. He believed in his dreams. He believed in his vision. I've read his autobiography. He was almost always on the verge of bankruptcy, even despite the successes he had with the movies. He was such an innovator. And there is a saying, and you'll see it at Disney, and you'll see it on things, and it says, it all started with a mouse. But it's so true. This man and his brother changed the world. I mean, can you imagine a life without Disney? I mean, you don't have to love Disney. You don't have to love anything about it. But it definitely changed the landscape of the world, and it continues to do so. So this is just a little encouragement for you to find what inspires you. What's going to help you keep going? Is it a person? Is it a philosophy? Is it something out that you see outside your window? Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the path. Namaste.